In a forgotten corner of the world, hidden from prying eyes, a legend sleeps. This isn't just any car, it's a whisper from the past, a symphony of speed and style now silenced by layers of dust.
With the bodywork stripped bare, we begin the painstaking process of restoration. The old faded paint is meticulously sanded away, revealing the raw metal beneath. Every dent, every minor imperfection is carefully hammered out and filled, ensuring a flawlessly smooth surface. Finally, a perfect coat of primer is applied, a blank canvas awaiting its masterpiece.
The inspection begins, a ritual of precision and expertise. Every component from the heart of the engine to the intricate suspension and brakes is scrutinized. Close-ups reveal skilled hands assessing each detail, promising a magnificent rebirth. The disassembly begins with an artisan's touch. Wheels are carefully removed, followed by the damaged body panels and headlights. Inside, the cabin is stripped bare, its components laid out on pristine workbenches. The sports car, a puzzle in reverse, yields its secrets piece by piece to skilled hands.